Okay, Queens. Your answer is letter C. Okay, let's try your answer. Correct answer, Queens. Congrats. Blank that we receive the signed contract by Friday. We will proceed with the shipment as planned. Blank we receive the signed contract by Friday. We will proceed the shipment as planned. Okay, what is your answer, guys? Comment down below your answer. Letter A, assuming. Letter B, despite. Letter C, but for. Letter D, otherwise. Okay, what is your answer? Fairs himself, Fida Fadi, Fearless Marga, Ta. Okay, what is your answer? Come on, guys, join me here in my question and answer. Let's improve your English, guys. Hi, Matil, Sulaiman Alinasi. Hello, thank you for joining. B, Queens, your answer is letter A. Abdali, answer letter B. Okay, Abdali, let's try your answer, letter B. The correct answer is letter A, assuming you are correct again, Queens. Next is blank. You were offered the position, but it still required relocating abroad. Would you still accept it? Yes. Despite you were offered the position, but it required relocating abroad, would you still accept it? What is your answer, guys? D, supposing. Abdili, B, but for. Queens, D. Melanie, D. Who else? Okay, let's try. Majority answer, letter D. Correct. Okay, next question. Hikers are permitted to camp in the national park. Blank, they obtain a permit and follow the live on trace principles. Hikers are permitted to camp in the national park. Blank, they obtain a permit and follow no trace principles. Ella 27. Hello. Faisal. Hello. Okay. What is your answer, guys? Ella B. Who else? Abdali. Letter A. Okay, let's try your answer, Ma'am Ella. Letter B. Correct. How to send what, sir? A gift? Would you like to send a gift, sir? I follow you, sir. I follow you. Sir, do you want to join our private tutorial? All you need to do, sir, is just send a hand heart gift, sir. Just send a hand heart gift to avail our private tutorial. And here's our private tutorial, sir. to send some surprise, sir, just go to the bottom of your screen. You can see this one. You can see this one, sir. Click that one. I would like to follow you back, Sir Joey. I would like to follow you back, Sir Joey, but your account is private, sir. Your account is private. I can't do follow back. Okay, next question is, all delegates must register before the conference begin. Blank, they will not be admitted to the sessions. All delegates must register before the conference begin. They will not be admitted to the session. Blue, hi Blue. Please follow me guys and top your screen. Melanie, letter C. You are correct, Ma'am Melanie. You need to submit the report by the end of the day. Blank, the client will cancel the contract. You need to submit the report. Omina 992. Hi, Omina 992. Okay, what is your answer? Comment down below your answer, guys. Omo Shams. Hi, Omo Shams. Thank you for joining. Seth, hello, Seth, PH, Filipino also. Okay, letter A, correct po. You get the correct answer. Melanie, the correct answer is letter A, ma'am. The clinical trial will proceed to the next phase. The interim result demonstrate no significant adverse effects. A, despite, B, in order that, C, even true, D, provided. Okay, what is your answer, guys? follow you, Abdu, but your account is private. Okay. Where are you from, Abdu? You're from Algeria. Oh, you're from Algeria. Welcome to my live stream. Rika. Hi, Ma'am Rika. Filipino also, Ma'am. Thank you so much for joining, Ma'am. Okay, what is your answer? Ma'am Rika, letter B. You are correct, Ma'am Rika. Post. Yes, kabayan. Hi, Ma'am. Yes, Ma'am, kabayan po. They're watching from Dubai. Wow. I have a sister in Dubai also, Ma'am. How's Dubai, Ma'am? I have a sister also from Dubai. Her status right now is not good, Ma'am. She's going home maybe at the end of May. At the end of May, Ma'am. She's just waiting for her a visa to renew so she can come back. Nag-work siya sa ano, Ma'am? Sa wait lang, Ma'am. Search ko. Hotel and restaurant man yun, Ma'am, oy. Kalida yata, Ma'am. Sa AdWatch. Next question I try. Okay, okay, Abdu. Yes, Ma'am. Opo. Opo, Ma'am. Yes, Ma'am. Nakat po, Ma'am. Sa ano, Ma'am? Sa Amwaj Rutana Jumeirah Beach? Admaj Rutana Jumeirah Beach. Yes, Ma'am. Jumeirah Beach, Ma'am. Hotel yan, Ma'am. Murag hotel yata, Ma'am. Yes, Ma'am. Na-cut off, Ma'am. Okay, Abdu. Let's try your answer. Yes, Ma'am. Na-cut off tungod aning situation. Kwan lang. Balot-balot lang iyang duty, Ma'am. Ang duty niya ano lang. Schedule lang ang duty. Forced vacation yung ibang kasama niya, Ma'am. Forced vacation. Tapos kasi sila na taga dito sa atin, DMW. Saan yan, Ma'am? Paano siya makaklaim, Ma'am? Pwede paturo, ma'am. Kasi sabi nila, ma'am, bawal daw, ma'am, kung halimbawa pag nagreklamo ka na ganito daw yung situation. I think D is right. Okay, let's try your answer, Abdu. You're wrong, Abdu. The correct answer is letter C. Letter C is the correct answer, Abdu. Even blank the company offered me a double my current salary, I would not consider working there again. It's okay, Abdu. Mistake is the part of learning. Saan ang DMW, ma'am? Siya ba ang maglapit, ma'am? Or ang yung relatives niya dito? Nakat, ma'am. Opo. Wala siya sweldo, ma'am, oy. Gina-wait niya lang na ma'am, mag-process siya sang renew sang iyang visa. So, she can come back again in that country if in case. Oh, sige daw, ma'am. Tapos, ma'am, may maklaim, ma'am. Naaman karon assistant from them. Pwede siya mag-apply. Oh, unsay current work mo karon, ma'am? Dira ah. Oy, dako na to, ma'am. Dako na na, oy. Pwede na na. This is C1 Advance, Abdu. C1 Advance. They choose this. Okay, busy private household. Oh, okay. Ma'am, wa mo pangita dira, ma'am. Ma'am, can I ask, ma'am, what is the ma'am? Minimum rate, ma'am. Kay Ma'am Rika. Okay, Ma'am Rika. Correct, Ma'am Rika. Question and answer. Unsay minimum rate, ma'am? Kay na ako'y kuan nga agency, ma'am, ba legit kay nagaplano mi sa akong manghod nga kuhaon niya ko before nga wa pay conflict. Kuhaon ko, ma'am, tapos mag-visit visa ko ba tapos dira na ko mangitag trabaho. Unya karon kay naa may conflict nga ing ani, so daw bali postpone siya, ma'am. Tapos nag-try ko, ma'am, inquire gud sa mga agency, ma'am, nga legit 20. Pilang rate karon, ma'am, ninyo? 15, 14. 15 kung 15, ma'am, nasa 30. Thank you for joining. Okay, next question, guys. Blank will lose our biggest client tomorrow. Would the company survive? Oh, 16 karon, ma'am. Oh, sobra 30, ma'am, eh. Sobra 30. Hi, ma'am. I have a friend of mine refer me to you as D. Okay, let's try D. Yes, correct. Ano, ma'am, ba na ako'y agency. Hot teller. Hot teller siya dako yung conversation. Kwan, ma'am. Receptionist. Receptionist siya, ma'am. Nag-ano man ba, nag-inquire ko sa ano ma'am, agency diri sa ato ma'am ba sa Pinas. Tapos nga about sa nga ana gud mag-apply as DH dira sa Dubai. Ang rate lang, ang hatag lang man nila ma'am 1.4. 1.4 ra ma'am, ti unya kung i-times. Ma'am, 1.4 lang. Unya kung i-times ma'am, nasa 24K lang. 24 to 23. Pero, pero nag-ingon sila libre tanan, ilaha tanan gasto. Pero, nasa 23 to 24 lang ma'am. Unya, kining current job ko nga online English tutor kay mas maka-earn pa ko sobra pa dira kung diretso-diretso akong duty. Ti, ingon ko, sa isip ko, sa rin ko, dirian na lang ko sa akong. Yes, ma'am. Tapos, legit man siya, kuhaon nila ang passport mo, ihatag dito sa ila, tapos padalan ka na allowance, yung ani, yung anak. Then, pagka next nga update, pagka next update, pabiyahion ka na nila pa Manila. Pero gamay kaayo, ma'am, 23. Unya, ining trabaho gud nako karon ning online host, private tutor online, streamer. Lagpas pa akong ma-earn dira ma'am pag kumpleto akong duty. Okay, next is the new regulation requires all imported goods to be truly inspected. Blank contaminated products could enter the market. Yes, ma'am. Walay bakante dira ma'am, mas na-hire dira ma'am. Passport holder ko ma'am. Dugay na natulog akong passport ma'am 2021 pa. Sabay kami sa akong sister. Nagkuhag passport. Pero siya is 2 years na siya sa Dubai. Mag 2 years karon June. So mauli siya tungod aning conflict. The new regulation require all imported goods to be truly inspected. Blank contaminated products could enter the market. Yes, ma'am. Okay, total sale divide 3. Do you know how we work together? Okay. The new regulation. Okay, what is your answer? Thank you for following. HM, what do you call? Acetodiame. B, okay? Asatu, B. Correct, asatu. Okay, next question is question number 20. Blank your performance fall below the expected standards. The remote work arrangement may be subject to review. Walay vacant dira, ma'am. Basi na ay direct hire dira nimo, ma'am. Passport ready ko, ma'am. Mag 2 years na akong sister dira, ma'am. Mauli siya karong June. June siya mag 2 years. Ginahulat lang ang iya contract. Ay, no. Ginahulat lang nga mag-renew ang iya nga visa para makabalik po siya kung gustuhon niya. Kay, kwan lang man. One-way ticket lang man, ma'am. Kay, naapay conflict gani. So, gisure-sure niya lang ma-renew iyang visa bago siya mauli para kung halimbawa anytime, pwede siya kabalik. Imen Boyka. Hi, Imen Boyka. How are you? Thank you for joining here. I follow you, Imen. Please follow back. Should. Okay, should. You are correct, Abdu. Abdu, can you help me achieve my goal for today, Abdu? My goal is here, a hand heart. Anyone can help me achieve my goal for today, please? Okay, next is we should change our. Okay. Okay, what topic do you like, guys? I have here some A1, A2, B1, B2. Yeah, man. Abdu, please. Abdu, please help me achieve my goal for today. Could you help me achieve my goal for today? Any surprise will do. Okay, guys, could you help me achieve my goal for today? Any surprise would do. I would be so happy, and it's my pleasure to help. It's my pleasure to help you in your English learning journey, and it's my pleasure to receive a surprise from you guys. If you can help me, okay? Wait, I am pinning my goal right now. Wait, guys. Hello, Faisal. Thank you for following. Abdu, I am pinning my goal right now, Abdu. Abdu, I am pinning right now my goal. I hope you can help me. I hope you can help me achieve my goal, Abdu. Okay, C1. Let's try C1 as you requested. C1. Okay, what topic? Narrative, deduction, past modal, mixed condition, wish, and if only. Help me achieve my goal for today, guys. I am pinning my goal right now. Wish and if. Okay, let's try this one. Wish and if. Wish and if exercise. Yes, ma'am. Also me. I'm having hard time on that question and answer also. The director spoke with such authority about the archaeological site as true as to she blanked their own the original expedition decades earlier. Grabe naman yung question yun. Lawig man kayo. B. Okay, letter B. The correct answer is letter A. Hey, Mr. Yu, you're correct. Had been. Had been is the correct answer, guys. Next question. question is, despite having no formal training, he handles the negotiation as if he blank a seasoned diplomat. I changed mine. Oh. Okay, what is your answer, guys? Despite having no formal training, he handles the negotiation as if he blank a seasoned diplomat. Okay, comment down below your answer. Okay, what is your answer, guys? Okay. B. You are correct, guys. Okay, next question. When when the audit result were announced, when the audit result were announced, the finance manager react as if she blanked about discrepancies all along. Okay, what is your answer, guys? Sama-sama tayo at walang mag-iiwanan. Had. Had known. Correct. Okay, next is my colleague treats my colleague treats every minor inconvenience as through it blank catastrophe of global proportion. Okay, A. correct answer is letter D, where my colleague treats every minor inconvenience as through it were a catastrophe of global proportion. After reading just one chapter, nak, ano na oras nak ba tawagan to si kuya mo makaon la patukaon. Si kuya mo tawaga kay makaon. Kuya tawag ka mami makaon. Masakit gito tiyan ni kuya mo lakaon. Would be after reading just one chapter, the student discussed the novel as through she the entire book twice. Okay, what is your answer, guys? A. Correct, guys. Next is, the project deadline is tomorrow, but I rather blank the proposal until you completely satisfied with it. Okay, what is your answer? D? D. You are correct, Ma'am Rika. Okay. Given how the situation escalated, I rather we blank the clients about delay sooner. Sam? Sam, taga-istita ka kimpit, Sam, be. May kimpit kada Sam para sa buhok mo, Sam. May kapad to sa imo. Gai ko, be. Init ba? Be, ko ang kimpit ni... Okay, Mr. What is your name? Thank you. Okay, letter A. The correct answer is letter B, guys. Letter B is the correct answer. I know you want to help, but I'd sooner blank this problem on my own. Kuya? May asa dito lababo ba yun? Okay. Letter C. Correct. Any surprise with Do Abdu? Could you send me Mr. Bush Up? Hello, Mr. Bush Up. Sure. Sure, welcome. Kaon na. Mangkuta si Sam din makaugas kamot. Mangkuta si Sam. The board would rather the CEO blank the restructuring plan at next week meeting rather than today. Khadija. Muhammad. Hi. Sunil Tamang. Okay, what is your answer? A presented, B presents, C will present, had presented. Nakabat siya puto mo. Nakakuan nga mga kaon. Musa ng kanon. Okay, what is your answer, guys? Comment down below your answer. Okay, letter D, Ma'am Rika. Okay, let's try your answer, Ma'am Rika. Letter C, Jen PH. Hi, Ma'am Jen. Habdi PTI. Hi. The correct answer is letter A. Diame, get the correct answer. Job offer in New York 5 years ago. I wouldn't be stuck in this dead end position now. I wish I blanked the job in New York 5 years ago. I wouldn't be stuck at this dead end position now. Hi, Ma'am Jen. Okay, what is your answer? Annie. Hi, Annie. Let's try your answer, Ma'am Annie and Ma'am Jen, letter D. Correct, guys. Welcome to my life. If only the government blanked renewable energy a decade ago, we would be facing such severe energy shortage today. Okay? What is your answer? Annie, letter B as your answer, ma'am. Let's try. Correct, ma'am. Help me also achieve my goal for today. Any surprise would do, but my goal for today is a hand heart. If you send a hand heart surprise right now, I will get your contact detail and also your private account so we can about your private tutorial, okay? Next question is, she wishes she blank more attention to her financial advisor warnings. She might not be in such serious debt now. Okay? What is your answer, guys? Letter C. Hmm? Mm-mm. The correct answer is letter C, had paid. Ma'am Annie, correct. Suppose suppose the company blank bankrupt last year, would you have been able to find another job quickly? Suppose the company blank bankrupt last year, would you have been able to find another job quickly? Okay, what is your answer? Abdu, you're back. Abdu, this time, Abdu, you can help me achieve my goal. Anyone in the comment section? Anyone can help me? Any surprise, guys, will do. I will accept it. Okay, letter C. The correct answer is letter D. Suppose the company had, letter D, I think, had gone. Yes, had gone. Had gone bankrupt is the correct answer. What if the K witness blanked the truth during trial? The verdict might have been completely different. Okay, what is your answer, guys? A, Diame. Okay, what is your answer? Abdul, letter C. Who else, guys? Letter C, Abdul. Okay, let's try your answer. Abdul, letter C. The correct answer, Abdul, is had told. Letter A. Ani and Diame get the correct answer. Imagine the internet blank never been invented. Do you think society would be better or worse off? Imagine the internet blank never been invented. Do you think society would be better or worse off? Okay, what is your answer? Okay. B. B is the correct answer. Celebrate. What is this program? This program is about private English learning tutorial. In a formal letter to shareholders, the board of directors blank to announce significant restructuring restructuring of the company operation. And a formal letter, shareholders, the board of directors, blank announced significant restructuring of company operation. What is your answer, guys? Annie, letter D. Who else, guys? Let's try your letter B, Abdu. Final answer? Okay, letter D, Mini. Let's try your answer. Majority answer letter B. Okay, let's try. The correct answer, guys, is letter C. Next is, should you blank to make any amendments to your booking, please contact our reservation team at least 48 hours in advance. Okay, what is your answer? Comment down. I was going to say it. Comment down below. Annie, letter A. Isma, letter A also. Okay, letter A. The correct answer is letter D. Should you wish to make an amendments to your booking? Letter D is the correct answer, guys. Next is, I wish the council blank something about the potoless on our street. They've been there for months and nobody seems scared. Potless. Isma, what is your answer? C. Would do is the correct answer, guys. Sorry. Guys, are you sure that this is the Guys, are you sure that this level you want? C1? Maybe we should downgrade our level, B1 or B2. And quiet moments of reflection, she sometimes wishes her career blank more creative opportunities. True, she deeply values the stability her job provides. Okay? You suggested this level, guys, C1. After this, guys, we should downgrade our level B1. Yeah, it's too difficult. Okay, letter A, Diame. The correct answer is offered, Ophelia. Hi, Ophelia. available only here in our company at ACADSOC. If you want to get a lesson, you should avail our private tutorial. One-on-one private tutorial. You just only want you just need to send a hand heart surprise. Okay guys, let's downgrade our level. Let's choose the B1. B1 guys. Okay, preference would rather or maybe. Let's choose what topic do we want. Passive voice basic guys. Would you like this one or wish if only? What topic do you like guys? Can you comment down below what topic do you like? Basics. What is basics? I don't have basics here. Future simple will be going. Future perfect. Basic, basic, basic. Where is basic? Adverbs. Basic adverbs. Basic adverbs, do you mean? You mean basic adverbs. Okay, let's try basic adverbs. Okay, B1 guys. This is B1 as you requested. B1, B1, level B1, basic adverbs. Okay, let's try this one. I can blank remember what happened. It was a long time ago. I can blank remember what happened. It was a long time ago. A, easily. B, hard. C, harder. D, hardly. Okay, what is your answer, guys? And Abdu. Abdu, you said earlier that you can send anytime. Maybe now is the right time, Abdu, to ask you to send some surprise or to avail our one-on-one English tutorial, Abdu. This is some of our students here in the screen. This is the proof that we are legit right here, guys. We are teaching private tutorial. You can send this surprise, guys, a hand heart surprise, and just click this sign. Gift sign, surprise, I mean surprise sign in your phone. Easily. Okay, what is your answer? Easily, letter A. Abdu, the correct answer is letter D. Ma'am Ani, also the correct answer is letter D. Hardly, almost. Hardly means almost not. I can hardly remember. I cannot remember the praise. This was a long time ago. Tell us a memory fading easily and wrong because something from a long time ago would not be easily to remember. Hard means with effort. Harder, it's comparative. Next question is, she finished the race but only blank. She, okay, Abdu. Okay. Abdu, can you send it now? Can you help me, Abdu, achieve my goal, my friend? She finished the race but only blank. A, barely. Also, Ma'am Annie. Ma'am Annie, can I ask you, Ma'am? Maybe you can help me achieve my goal? Or you can send a hand heart. So you can join our one-on-one private English tutorial class. One-on-one, guys, that is your teacher only and you. Your tutor and you. Okay? Okay, guys. What is your answer? Can you comment down below your answer? you what? My goal for today is a hand heart. Can you help me achieve my goal for today, guys? My goal for today is a hand heart. If you can send me a hand heart right now, if you can send a hand heart right now, guys. Uh-huh. Okay, that is my goal for today, guys. A hand heart. My goal for today is a hand heart. Thank you for tapping your screen, guys. Thank you for tapping your screen. As you can see on my screen, guys, a hand heart surprise. Hand heart surprise to avail our one-on-one private tutorial class. Where you came from? Danny Casteleo. I am from the Philippines, sir. I am from the Philippines. Yes, I just pinned my goal earlier, and still counting. I am pinning my goal also. Okay, guys. I am from the Philippines, sir. I am from the Philippines. Where are you from, sir? Can I ask where are you from? Wait, guys. I'm just fixing my computer right now. Okay. Very nice. Thanks for your teaching. God give you strong. Thank you so much, Sir Danny Casteleo. Sir Danny, maybe you can help me, sir, achieve my goals. My goal for today is a hand heart. A hand heart is my goal for today, guys. Maybe some kind-hearted can help me achieve my goal for today. May I know where are you from, Sir Danny? Thanks for organizing this class. You're welcome, Eric. May I know where are you from? May I know where are you from, guys? By the way, I am from the Philippines. I am from the Rwanda. Oh,
Okay, I got it. So, what do you want? What do you want to learn from this class? What do you want? Because our topic here is just free talk, so we can just talk and talk about anything.
Okay, I want to learn how I speak more fast.
Below your answer, guys. Just
Okay, I got it. So, what do you want? What do you want to learn from this class? What do you want? Because
one-on-one private tutorial on my screen. Wait, I will adjust it. Oh, you're from Timor-Leste. I serve to God in Child Ministry. Oh, amen. You are kind person, sir. Amen. Jan PH. You are kind person, sir. Okay, next question is, I called her, but she didn't answer. I'll try again. I called her, but she didn't answer. I try again. We can't hear. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Can you comment down below if I'm visible? Audible, I mean. Annie, letter D. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, what is your answer? Yes. Yes, sir. I'm always praying. I'm always praying to God, to Lord, that give us a good health and financially stable. Nice sound. Okay, letter C. Okay. Abdu, what is your final answer? D or C? Okay. C also. Majority answer letter C. Majority answer letter C, guys. Okay, let's try your answer. Letter C. You are all correct, guys. She blank got promoted at work. We should celebrate. She blank got promoted at work. We should celebrate. Tan, 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 tan. Oh, you like that sound? Okay. You like that sound, but I cannot hear that. I cannot hear that because my headphone is broken. You guys can only hear me, but I cannot hear that background sounds. Next is, okay, what is your answer? D. Duami, letter D also. You're correct, guys. Thank you so much for the roaster. Thank you so much, Mom Tali. I know, Altal. Are you mom or sir? Mom or sir? Maboy ka na niyo. Duame. Why you're laughing, Duame? Right, Duame? Abdu said he can send me a surprise earlier, and I'm still waiting right now. The children behave blank during the ceremony. The children behave blank during the ceremony. Okay? What is your answer, guys? What is your answer? A. Jen PH. Hi, Mom Jen. Your answer is letter A. KD also, letter A. Who else? Screen icon is the top covering sentence. Wait, I will check. Okay, now can you see it now? The children behave blank during Okay, what is your answer? Comment down below your answer, guys. Maybe A? Diami, A also. Correct, guys. Altal. Altal. Okay, guys, don't forget, guys, that we are offering one-on-one private tutorial here. Just send a hand heart surprise to avail our one-on-one private tutorial. If you want to improve your English, guys, if you're having hard time on speaking English, all you need to do is just send a hand heart surprise to avail our one-on-one private tutorial lesson. He speak 3 language blank. He speak 3 language blank. Okay, what is your answer? Oh, it's so hot right now, right here. Oh my God. Letter C. Okay, majority answer. Letter C. Correct, guys. Thank you for the top. Abdu, I am asking you, Abdu, for a surprise since earlier, Abdu. The glass broke into blank small pieces. The glass broke into blank into small pieces. My Unica 17. Hello, My Unica 17. Welcome to my live stream. And also Marcos. Hi, Marcos. Okay, what is your answer, guys? I am pinning my goal right now at my screen, as you can see. Okay, what is your answer, guys? A, Mr. Atal. Your answer is letter A. Who else? Annie Lexi. Hi, Annie Lexi. Thank you for joining, Mom. I follow you, Mom. Please follow back. Don't forget to follow back and top your screen for the like. And guys, don't forget to send a hand heart surprise to avail our one-on-one English tutorial class. Thank you so much, Mom Annie, Lexi. What is your answer, guys? The glass broke into small pieces. The glass broke into small pieces. What is your answer? Letter D, A, extreme, B, extremity, C, more extreme, D, extremely. Abdu, answer letter D.